nouns and adjectives. As in the games you've probably played, a noun is a name, place, animal, or thing. It can also be an idea such as a vacation or an event like a birthday party. They can be of many types. Let's go through them one by one. 1. Proper noun. A proper noun is usually a name of something. It refers to only one person or place. They are the words which your teacher tells you to start with a capital letter, like Delhi or Aditi. Let's try to find the proper nouns in the given sentences. A. Indore is a beautiful city. B. Aditi plays basketball. C. Should we invite Radha to the party? Common noun. A common noun refers to a common name, like the word city can mean any city in the world. Let's understand by some examples. A. I want a new shirt. A shirt can refer to any color, size or brand of shirts. B. That dog is very cute. C. India is a big country. Here, India would be a proper noun while country would be a common noun. 3. Abstract and concrete nouns. An abstract noun is something you can't touch or see, while a concrete noun is anything you can touch or see. Some abstract nouns are A. Love. I love my parents. B. Truth. She told the truth. And some concrete nouns are C. I study at the table. D. The light is very bright. We can see light, so it is a concrete noun. 4. Countable and uncountable nouns. Nouns that can be counted are countable nouns, and nouns that cannot be counted are uncountable nouns. Some countable nouns are A. Can I borrow a chair? B. I have a pencil. And some uncountable nouns are C. May I have some water? It would be very hard to count water on your fingers. D. It has too much sugar. 5. Collective noun. A collective noun refers to a group of things, people, or animals, such as A. This is my family. B. This is my team. Now you know about nouns, but what if you need to know more about a noun? A dog is a common noun, but your friend says, my dog is hungry. So now you know more about the dog. The word hungry then acts as an adjective. We will learn about 6 types of adjectives. 1. Adjective of quality. It tells us what kind is a person or thing. A. That is a beautiful flower. The word beautiful tells us more about the common noun flower, and it is an adjective. When we ask what kind of a flower is it, the sentence tells us it is beautiful. So it is an adjective of quality. B. Aditya is a loud boy. 2. Demonstrative adjective. These adjectives refer to a particular person or thing answering the question which. A. These are good apples. Here we can ask which are the sweet apples, and the sentence tells us that these are. So these is the demonstrative adjective. Also note, sweet is an adjective of quality describing the apples. B. That is a good idea. 3. Adjective of number. This answers the question how many, telling us the number of the noun or in what order they stand. A. Aditi was first in her class. B. This is the last time I forget my homework. 4. Adjective of quantity. This answers the question how much for things that you cannot count. A. I want some juice. B. That is enough sugar. 5. Adjective of interrogation. These are adjectives that frame a sentence as a question, asking what or which. A. Which color do you want? B. What type of paint is it? 6. Adjective of possession. These adjectives tell you to whom something belongs, answering the question whose. A. This is her book. We ask whose book is it? And the sentence tells us it is hers. So her becomes an adjective of possession. B. That is my pen. Now go back through the video and find all the nouns and adjectives in every sentence you hear. Best of luck!